Airport Strategic Planning. Welcome to our session on the growth of air transport and the world of airport operations. Today, we'll look into how air travel has evolved, the organizations involved in airport management, the classification of airports, airfield components, air traffic zones, airport system planning, airline decision-making, and other airport operations. Evolution of air transport. The journey of air travel began in the early 20th century, significantly transforming global connectivity and economic landscapes. Visionaries like the Wright brothers initiated this transformation, leading to the establishment of commercial air travel and scheduled flights. This foundational phase paved the way for an extensive global aviation network. The golden age of aviation, spanning the 1940s to the 1960s, saw rapid advancements driven by World War II, resulting in faster aircraft and expanded international travel networks. By the 1970s, the jet age emerged, marked by the Boeing 747, which revolutionized long-haul travel. Airline deregulation during this period promoted increased competition, lower fares, and the rise of budget carriers, making air travel accessible to more people. Today, the focus has shifted towards sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions and enhancing passenger comfort. Innovations such as electric and autonomous aircraft are on the horizon, promising exciting new developments in aviation. Airport organizations and associations. Airports are vital hubs within the air transport ecosystem, supported by a complex network of organizations. Airport authorities, often government-owned, play a key role in managing airport operations. They oversee infrastructure development, safety regulations, air traffic management, commercial operations, and passenger services. Additionally, international organizations ensure smooth airport operations. The International Civil Aviation Organization, or ICAO, sets global aviation standards covering safety, navigation, and air traffic management. Similarly, Airports Council International, known as ACI, advocates for the interests of over 1,900 airports worldwide, promoting best practices and offering training to enhance airport management. Together, these organizations create a safe, efficient, and sustainable airport ecosystem, which is crucial for the future of air travel. Classification of airports. Airports can be categorized into several classifications based on size, infrastructure, location, and services provided. Understanding these classifications is essential for effective airport management and planning. 1. International airports are major hubs equipped with customs and immigration facilities, catering to international travel with multiple terminals and extensive facilities. 2. Domestic airports handle flights within a country and typically have fewer facilities, with no customs services. They range from small regional airports to larger ones. 3. Regional airports are smaller airports serving specific geographic areas, focusing on domestic or short-haul flights with limited destinations. 4. Hub airports are strategically located, with extensive infrastructure, handling high passenger volumes and acting as critical transfer points for connecting flights. 5. Secondary airports serve as alternative airports near major cities, often less congested and frequently utilized by low-cost carriers. 6. Military airports are operated by the military primarily for training and logistics, with some facilities shared for civilian use. 7. Civil enclaves are military airports designated for civilian operations alongside military functions. 8. Private airports are privately owned facilities serving individuals or organizations with private aircraft, often providing maintenance and storage services. 9. Cargo airports focus primarily on freight transportation, equipped with large warehouses and customs areas for efficient cargo operations. Recognizing these classifications helps us understand the diverse roles airports play within the aviation ecosystem. airfield components and air traffic zones. The functionality of an airport relies heavily on its various components. Airfields consist of critical elements that ensure smooth flight operations. 1. Runways are the primary strips for aircraft takeoffs and landings, designed with various lengths and surfaces, like concrete or asphalt, to accommodate different aircraft sizes. Runway orientation aligns with prevailing winds to enhance safety. 2. Taxiways are paved pathways that connect runways to terminals and hangars, facilitating efficient aircraft movement while minimizing runway use. Aprons are large parking areas where aircraft are serviced, refueled, and boarded. They are constructed from durable materials to withstand heavy operations. 4. Hangars are enclosed structures that protect aircraft from weather and provide maintenance space, varying in size to accommodate different aircraft types. 5. Lighting and signage are essential for safe operations, especially during low visibility conditions. 5. This includes runway and taxiway lights, along with clear signage to guide pilots. 6. Navigational aids, or NavAids, are electronic systems that assist pilots in navigation and safe landings. 6. Key systems include the Instrument Landing System, ILS, VHF Omnidirectional Range, VOR, and radar systems. Additionally, air traffic zones are critical for ensuring safe aircraft movement during operations. These zones include 1. Terminal Control Area, TCA, the immediate airspace surrounding an airport, where air traffic controllers manage taxiing, takeoffs, and initial climbs. 2. Controlled airspace extends outward from the TCA, ensuring safe separation between aircraft during arrivals and departures. Airport System Planning and Development Process. Effective airport system planning is essential for coordinating development within a region and ensuring efficient operations while integrating with local communities. Key aspects of this process include 1. Forecasting future needs. Accurate predictions of passenger and cargo traffic are vital for identifying future infrastructure needs, such as new terminals or runway expansions. 2. Balancing growth and sustainability. Airport planning must also consider environmental impacts by implementing strategies to manage noise, air quality, and preserve green spaces. 3. Land use planning. Engaging with the community to align developments with local needs and promote regional economic growth is crucial for effective airport planning. 4. Evaluating financial viability. Economic assessments, including cost-benefit analyses, ensure that airport projects generate jobs and stimulate local economies. The airport planning process itself is a multi-stage framework designed to ensure efficient airport operation and minimal environmental impact. 1. Stage 1, assessing needs involves analyzing traffic forecasts and existing infrastructure to identify capacity limitations. 2. Stage 2, master planning develops a comprehensive master plan outlining long-term strategies for expansion and upgrades while collaborating with stakeholders. 3. Stage 3, environmental review assesses potential environmental impacts and establishes mitigation strategies for proposed developments. 4. Stage 4, financial planning identifies funding sources and develops a sustainable financial strategy for long-term viability. 5. Stage 5, implementation translates the master plan into action through phased development, construction management, and ongoing monitoring. This dynamic process evolves to adapt to technological advancements and changing passenger expectations, ensuring that airports can meet current and future demands. Airline decision-making. Airlines significantly influence airport operations through decisions regarding routes, schedules, and fleet management. Understanding these processes is essential for maintaining a coordinated air travel ecosystem. 1. Route selection. Airlines analyze demand and profitability to choose routes, directly impacting airport traffic patterns and necessitating future planning. 2. Schedule planning. Effective scheduling optimizes traffic flow and caters to market segments, influencing airport operations and resource allocation. 3. Fleet management. Airlines select aircraft based on route length and airport compatibility, impacting infrastructure needs such as runway sizes and gate facilities. 4. Coordination with airports. Collaboration between airlines and airports allows for accurate traffic forecasting and optimization of operations. As airlines increasingly embrace data-driven strategies and sustainability considerations, airports must adapt their services and infrastructure accordingly. Other airport operations. Beyond flights and terminals, airports rely on various operations to ensure smooth functioning. 1. Ground handling includes essential services like baggage handling, fueling, catering, and aircraft cleaning, which are critical for quick turnaround times. 2. Passenger services enhance the travel experience through efficient check-in, security screening, orderly boarding, and responsive customer service. 3. Cargo handling is vital for the economy, involving secure storage, shipment processing, and adherence to stringent security measures. 4. Maintenance is crucial for regular upkeep of runways, terminals, and ground handling equipment, ensuring safety and operational efficiency. 5. Security involves a robust framework, including access control, passenger and baggage screening, and active patrols to maintain a safe airport environment. 6. Emergency services have trained teams on standby for emergencies, providing fire response, medical assistance, and search and rescue operations. These behind-the-scenes operations are essential for creating a safe, efficient, and secure air travel experience. In conclusion, the growth of air transport has fostered a complex yet well-coordinated airport ecosystem, essential for supporting efficient and sustainable aviation. Understanding the evolution of air travel, airport organizations, classifications, operational components, air traffic zones, planning processes, airline decision-making, and essential operations is crucial for anyone involved in the aviation industry. As the industry continues to evolve, the focus remains on balancing growth with sustainability to ensure accessible air travel for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the world of airport operations and air transport growth.